pala kayo. Again, this is me, your girl, City De Leon, and with me today is Sir Hill. And we will have another tour here at the Cherry Concept Store. So as you can see, meron na din silang mga vacuums dito sa Cherry. And for today's episode, we will learn more about and we will be able to try their cleaning devices.
They have here the newest brand called Cherry Home, which includes cleaning essentials such as different types of vacuums and water spray mop.
For our cleaning devices naman po, we have the Cherry X Derma BC20 cordless vacuum cleaner. This cleaning tool is lightweight na may ergonomic handle design para mas magana ang paglilinis ng bahay.
And I think this cleaning tool will help you reach the hard-to-reach areas of your home, diba?
Yes, ma'am. This includes a small brush, 2-in-1 nozzle, and electronic soft ground roller brush. Ito pong mga to, pwede nyo po magamit depende po sa area ng bahay na lilinisin.
I like this too. You may easily replace it with the brushes included. This cleaning tool will help you keep the spaces of your home neat and clean. Pero Sir Hill, what about this product?
This is the Cherry Home Smart Mobile Sweep Robotic Vacuum. Ito naman po, ma'am, another smart device na makokontrol mo rin by the Cherry Home app.
So there you have it, guys. Sobrang daming efficient na cleaning tools dito sa Cherry. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye everyone!
To know more about Cherry products, visit any Cherry Concept stores near you. Bye for now, guys!